guys, so I'm having a trade with this guy named Cool Kid. This guy, nagsasalita. Shut up. This guy named Cool Kid. So,
bro, that's not your kid.
so I'm recording for YouTube to see this if he scammed me.
Yeah, for you. I will go.
I think he's a scammer.
Yeah,
He said,
for you.
I will go first.
If he come, I will report him.
Yeah, I'm going to report him too.
I will record him.
What?
I will record to
Shut your bitch ass.
to see.
Bro, stop. Bro, stop clapping your balls. Yo, bro, stop it. Stop clapping your balls. What the freak? No, bro, stop.
Okay. So, guys,
So,
you know me, right? I'm jumping to Parado.
yeah, we don't care.
I will pretend I got 20.
Shut the fuck up. Recording.
Record rin.
Thank you. Oh. Guys, I promise I'm not scam. What? Hello? Yo,
I will record.
I will not scam. Not scam. Shall we go?
No, bro. Because him.
No, I'm not gonna scam him. You said to me you wanted to scam him. My phone. Promise I will not scam. Bro, I'm recording right now.
Yeah, for I'm recording right now.
Frigo Camel.
I will post this. Go to my channel.
Mulbenrick.
Frigo Camel.
No. I will not scam this guy. You are a scammer.
Nah, bro.
Oh, I'm recording.
Bye, guys. Alright, bye.
That girl, right?
Frigo Camel.
Wait,
Still recording.
stop!
Still recording.
Stop! You wanted to scam this guy. So I will. Take it.
No, bro. That's
No! Don't scam
bro.
this poor guy.
Nah, bro. I'm just kidding. Maybe.
We're going to report you from Roblox.
Pero login to si Jay.
Shut the fuck up.
Sige.
Wait.
Kami na lang.
What a freaky! No. If this guy actually scams me, I'm going to report him. Don't worry. Wait lang.
It was free. Kami na lang. Joke lang, pre. Wala pa siya.
Ayun na. Ayun mo. Hindi yan. Paldo!
Your wrong friend, wrong grammar. Aray ko.
Hindi.
Dalawang yan. Got that.
Okay, I'm going to report this guy.
Yeah, report him.
Alright. Bro, it's actually so dumb. Bro, Tata will
Even
not
his mom
record.
doesn't love you.
Bro, shut the
Ako
Stop being so dang rush to that guy.
Binalakatan, no?
Hindi. Oh, block ako. Yo guys, I'm going to report. So, that's all. Thank you for watching. I hope you report that guy. Please.